Hello my foodies, it is really great to see you again today. Today we're gonna make a really well-known dish. It is super delicious pork belly and I'm sure you're gonna like it. Po Rou. I have a piece of pork belly here that I have fully cleaned. I also took out its hair with a pair of tweezers, but you could totally use a torch. In a pot of room temperature water, transfer in the pork belly and 2 slices of ginger. Over high heat, bring it to a boil. Continue to cook for another 15 minutes. We place the pork belly under room temperature water so it will fully release its impurity, its blood, and also gamey taste. Now we're going to discard the water in the pot and rinse the pork belly with running water. I'm gonna trim off the extra parts. And now we're gonna cut it into 2.5-inch pieces. And we're gonna tie the pork belly up with cooking twines like little presents. By doing so, the pork belly will stay in one piece with the long cooking process. Now in a clay pot, we're going to place a bamboo wire inside to prevent the pork belly from sticking to the pot. Also place in the scallions and ginger. Now we're going to place the pork belly inside the clay pot, skin side down. We're also going to add in the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, okay, to make the syrup in a pan over medium-low heat, we're gonna add in the rock sugar and water. We're gonna cook until the sugar is melted and the liquid is very sticky. And carefully, we're gonna add in the extra light olive oil. You could also use other high smoking point oil. And we're going to continue to stir until the syrup is lightly brown for about 2 to 3 minutes. And the syrup will give our Po Rou its beautiful red shade. Pour the syrup into the clay pot. Over high heat, bring to a boil. Immediately turn to low heat and simmer for 45 minutes. So good. The pork belly skin and the fat instantly melt inside your mouth. And the leaner part is super tender also. So good. I really enjoy our Po Rou today. I taste all the herbs like the ginger and the scallions and also the taste of Shaoxing wine. It's super amazing. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, remember to subscribe, thumbs up. I will see you again next Friday. I would like to stay in touch with you on Facebook, Instagram, and also YouTube. Bye bye!